Welcome. If your Joy-Con lights up and connects wirelessly but won't pair when it's attached to the console, that's usually a sign of a faulty Joy-Con rail on the Switch itself. It might look like the left side's the problem, but that's not the case, it's actually the right side rail causing the issue. I'll be swapping it out for a new one to get it sorted. If your Joy-Con light doesn't come on at all though, it could be a faulty Joy-Con instead. This is the old Joy-Con rail, so let's replace it with a brand new one. Alright, let's do a quick test to see if that fixes the problem. It's connecting perfectly now when attached. Alright, let's put it back together and run a quick test. Everything's working perfectly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.